Gusto niyo bang ma-enhance ang inyong hips? At gano'n na rin ang inyong glutes or inyong booty muscles? Samahan niyo ako sa ating 20-minute workout. Gagamit tayo ng hip band for more tension at para mas ma-engage natin ang ating muscles. Kung wala kayong hip band, pwedeng itong gawin ng body weight lang. We're going to do each exercise for 40 seconds at mag-rest tayo ng 10 seconds pagkatapos ng bawat exercise.
3, 2, 1, work.
First exercise natin, hip abduction. Activate muna natin ang ating glute muscles. Feel the stretch. Inhale, exhale. 40 seconds. Mind-muscle connection. Isipin ang muscle na wino-work. Next natin, clamshell.
3, 2, 1, work.
On your side, itaas ang inyong tuhod, stretch out your leg. Ramdamin ang inyong booty muscles. Inhale, exhale. Core tight. 40 seconds.
Three, two, one, rest.
We're not switching leg para yung tension tuloy-tuloy. So we're going to do the next exercise. Same leg. Itaas ang paa or ang tuhod. Stretch out. Nararamdaman ko na ang sakit. Whew. Pero wag kayong hihinto pag naramdaman nyo na yung burn or yung sakit. That's the time na napupunit yung ating muscle fiber at doon lumalaki or nag-grow ang ating muscles. Sa paglabanan ang sakit. No pain, no gain sa fitness. Oh, you can do it.
3, 2, 1, rest.
And rest. Whew. Yung hip band natin, meron tayong light,
3, 2, 1, work.
light, medium, tsaka yung heavy. So, I'm using a medium one. I-bend ang isang knee, point down your toes, and lift your leg up. Feel the stretch. Feel the burn. Whew, 40 seconds. You can do it.
3, 2, 1, rest.
Okay. Switch na tayo ng leg. The other side.
1, work.
Clamshell. Pag-angat ang kabilang leg. You can do it. Inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch. Rest. Next natin, iangat lang natin yung ating leg sa itaas. Stretch it out. Mind-muscle connection. Kung di nyo maramdaman ang inyong body muscles at ang inyong hips, pwede nyo siyang hawakan. It helps para ma-engage nyo ang inyong muscles. You can do it.
Three, two, one. Rest. Three,
Side leg lift.
one.
Point down your toes. Nakabend ang isang tuhod sa ilalim. You can do it.
Usapin mo yan!
Stay with me. No pain, no gain sa fitness. Whew. Ramdam na ramdam ko siya sa ating hips. Ganun na rin sa ating glutes o ang ating booty muscles. You can do it.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Next natin, ang ating donkey kick.
Three, two, one. Work.
Magsasayad ang tuhod sa floor para hindi mawala ang tension. Squeeze your glutes sa taas. Walang unnecessary upper movement, upper body movement.
Three, two, one. Rest.
And rest. Next natin, 40 seconds sa kabilang side.
Two, one. Work.
Inhale, exhale. Squeeze your glutes sa taas. You can do it. You're almost done.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Next natin, donkey kick pulses.
One.
Small pulses for extra burn. Donkey kick, pero maliliit lang na donkey kick. Squeeze your glutes at the top. You can do it. Stay with me. Last 15 seconds. You can do it.
Three, two, one. Rest.
First, let's have 40 seconds on the other side.
Three, two, one. Work.
Inhale, exhale.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Next natin, glute bridge.
Three, two, one. Work.
Punin lahat ng weight sa inyong heels. Press against the floor and go up. Inhale, exhale. Huwag sasayad ang butt sa floor. or huwag i-rest ang butt sa floor para hindi mawala ang tension. You can do it. Inhale, exhale. Inhale when you go down, exhale when you go up.